Hey, what's up, Telcoin holder? It's a very good time for all Telcoin, and absolutely, I have very important news for all Telcoin holders. So kindly, my friend, listen what I talk you, because my brother, this is very important. Before my friend, at the end of month, please must watch, please, and understand better what I talk you. My brother, the last 7 days chart is on the screen. Let's start the brand video, but kindly like this video and subscribe to YouTube channel. Show your love now. Now this time you can see a Telcoin is completely in the profit. Oh my goodness, in last 7 days 59.09%, the very they will record, my brother, all crypto market, they will record completely, my brothers, the very huge pumps now. And last 24 hours 19.87%, if they will moving upward and this speed, my brothers, so I will give you guarantee to they will hit $1 just in only in the next month, my brother, if they will moving and this speed. And last 1 hour you can see here 2.35% they take a jump now. Very risky coin, my brother, especially short term investor, they are starting selling. So Telcoin has non-stop moves and absolutely the very huge pumps now. Congratulations, my brothers, to Telcoin. This time is on the trending and completely going the moon now. Oh my goodness, you can see just only check out the chart result. After this, my friend, very bad fell, you can see there was a straight jump occur now and completely going the moon now. So it's a very good news, my friend, and very good time for all of you, my brothers. So you can see here this time Telcoin is going the moon now. See you next time, holder. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.